today's topic, we will talk about is abortion considered murder?
Yes, because a fetus is a person with a right to live, meaning that doing an abortion is the same as murdering a living person.
No, because abortion is a woman.
But abortion may threaten and damage woman's body and psyche. On a few cases of abortion, the mother passed away due to heavy bleeding.